as promised, this week I'm going to help you structure the meeting you're going to have with that potential new client. I'm John Paul Fischbach. I'm the CEO and Chief Alchemist here at the Auspicious Arts Incubator. If you used my advice from the previous tip and you've booked that meeting, you need to continue to practice your use of good value-based language to actually position yourself for a win-win outcome. You want to win and they want to win. So here's a quick recap. You know who needs what you have and you know why they need it, right? If you haven't done that work, this isn't going to work. All right, the flow of the meeting follows 3 simple steps. Need, desire, solution. Now the goal of this meeting is just to have a second meeting where you can present your tailored solution. So it's confirm the need, build their desire to have that need met, and then be the solution for meeting that need. Okay, now you have to establish the need. That's the first part. Let them know you've done your research. You understand them and their situation, right? So make sure the need is real. Right? The problem they have or the improvement that they want. You need to have a quick conversation about that just to confirm that you're on the right track. Then you build the desire, right? So get them to imagine the successful outcome if that thing was solved or if they had that extra. What would solving this mean to them? What would it produce for them? You need to have a bit of a conversation about that in order to build the desire. You've got this need. Yeah, wouldn't that be cool if we met that need? Then be the solution, right? So you're going to reconfirm the need. Yeah, so I was right. You do have this need, right? Then share that you thought that that was the case and you have a product or a service that's the solution, right? So you're going to tie your product or service to the things that were mentioned in the desire phase to meet that need. Then you're just going to book another meeting to present your full proposal, right? Now, if you haven't already, just write this down. Confirm the need, build the desire, and then be the solution. So please, don't be that enthusiastic artist that goes in and, presenting to everyone who isn't actually looking to buy or is presenting their thing without knowing what need it meets. Don't be that artist. Confirm the need, build the desire, and then be the solution. All right, if that was helpful, please share it with another artist. And I go into way more depth about how to understand that, and you can be around a whole bunch of artists who actually are applying this if you check out and join the ASAP program. Ciao.